welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Government identifies 979 illegal religious structures. Prudent gets copy of the policy. Salary of a government officer to be cut if new illegal structures come up in his jurisdiction. Goa Cricket Association election postponed. Madgaon Sessions Court to pass order on 28 May. Narvekar headed committee's efforts of 27th May election difficult. Puta agitation at Bali completes 1 year. Prudent meets the bereaved family of Madgaonkar. A special report on the condition of the family. Former Minister Sanjay Bandekar no more, dies of brain hemorrhage at a hospital in Madgaon. Final rites on Friday at Agonda in Kanpur. And 40 participants take part in the 2012 boat sailing Nationals. Best turnout for national championship, says Anil Madgaonkar. Keen fight on the cards in weekend championships. And now the news in detail. As per the survey conducted by the government, there are 979 illegal religious structures in the state. Prudent has got an exclusive access to the policy framed by the government. The policy mentions that if the illegal structures are constructed again, authorities will have to pay for the cost of demolition from their salary. A special report by Laukik Shilkar.
Court had ordered demolition of all illegal religious structures. The Digambar-led government had prepared a list of all the illegal religious structures with the help of district collectors. As per the report, there are 979 illegal religious structures in the state. In North Goa, there are 534 structures, whereas in South Goa, there are 445 structures. All-party leaders' meet was held on 9th July 2010. Few vital decisions were taken during the meet. Unanimous decision was taken to legalize illegal structures in Comunidad land. Few decisions were taken to stop construction of new illegal religious structures. Policy decisions: landowners to be responsible if any illegal religious structure is constructed on their land, to bring it to the notice of Taluka level committee if any such construction is noticed, investigation of the area within 24 hours along with landowner and sub-divisional magistrate. If there is any delay in demolition of such a construction, then the concerned authority would be held guilty. Government would keep the policy open for public views on 30th June. Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
It is now adequately clear that the election of GCA announced by the Anand Narvekar-headed committee on 27th May will not be held. On Thursday, the court heard arguments from both GCA and the two clubs in favor of the elections for the entire day and reserved the order for Monday. This has come as a major legal setback for Narvekar Group, as the election cannot be held when the matter is sub judice.
It was a day long of arguments at the Madgaon District and Sessions Court. GCA's counsel Subodh Kantak proposed elections on 25th July, but the court asked for the elections to be held by June end. But Kantak revealed that registration of almost two-thirds clubs would take time to prepare a thorough electoral roll, ensuring transparency.
Today the arguments are concluded. On section and application filed by the Mahalakshmi Club and Beti Sports Club are concluded, and matter is kept for orders on 28th morning. The whole day argument took place, and the argument with the whatever legal submission on section 9 as well as the conduct of parties and arbitrator is already appointed. That also we had pointed out. So everything we have pointed, we have submitted on behalf of GCA. Learned advocate Mr. Kandak argued on behalf of GCA, and that's it.
We have filed an application and for arbitration for interim measures because they are actually trying to like they are actually trying to postpone the elections without any justifiable cause. So, considering that we have moved an application to the court for interim measures, now the matter has been argued and it has been fixed for orders on the 28th of morning this month.
What were the points that what were the points on which this arguments had taken place?
They were objecting to.
Yeah.
There are a lot of law points was raised by both the sides. Now let's see what happens.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Uta agitation at Bali will complete an year on Friday. Madgaonkar and Dilip Veli from Kankon were the casualties of the agitation. Prudent media caught up with the family of Madgaonkar on the first death anniversary. Madgaonkar died in a battle for justice, but his martyrdom did not go in vain. The bereaved family still lives in the shock. Here's our exclusive report.
गेल्या 25 मेक उटान जे बाळ्ळी आंदोलन केल्ले त्या आंदोलनाक तितूंतले 2 जाण भुरगे शहीद जाल्ले. एकलो दिलीप वेळीप आनी दुसरो मंगेश गांवकर. तर आज आमी आसात मंगेश गांवकराच्या घरा कडेन. मंगेश गांवकर भायर पडल्यार आतां 1 वर्स पुराय जाला. तर तांच्या घरा कडेन या जाणून घेवया तांचो एक भुरगो खांदा सामको एक तरणाटो गेला तांच्या घरांतलो. तांची परिस्थिती आतां कितें ती जाणून घेवया.
Mangesh's family wants to erect a statue of Mangesh besides their dwelling. Mangesh's father is very proud of his son's martyrdom. However, he sobs when he realizes that Mangesh is not alive to see the change.
आता बाबा मंगेश शहीद जाल्यार आतां 1 वर्स पुराय जाता. तुमकां हे 1 वर्स तेजी आदीन कशें कितें सांगून दिसता तेजे बद्दल?
हे कशें आनी पयसांनी आहले ते मान हें करना हे आहले पयशा हाज्या भुरग्याक कितें करचें लोकां खातीर कितें करचें आनी आपल्याले जे दुसऱ्या खातीर कितें करूं उरचें अशें तरी मनांतल्यान कळून आसलें. त्या खातीर तो रातो दिसता तूं जाल्लो सामको बेकार. ते घेता त्या हेजेर आपल्या मनाचेर तेणी आपल्यालें सामकें म्हणजे सामकें झेर तितून गेलें सगळें. तो उलयतालो तसो कितें आपूण जें करतलो तो फकत लोकां खातीर करतालो. हेज्या खातीर कितें तरी करून दवरतलो. लोकां समाजा खातीर कितें तरी करतलो. तेजे मनांतल्यान झेर आहलो.
असो भुरगो तुमच्या घरांत जल्म आयला हेजो तुमकां अभिमान दिसना?
अभिमान दिसता. अभिमान दिसता खूब अभिमान दिसता. पण आतां करता कांय फायदो ना न्ही. कळ्ळें कितें करतलो. अभिमान म्हाका खूब येयलो. दुख्ख जाता आमचें.
Mangesh was a social activist who fought for the rights and justice in the society. They were young, enthusiastic and had courage to stand up for a cause. Today their struggle is bearing fruits. Their memories live on.
तुज्यान तुवें आमकां लास्ट पयलीं फावट सांगलां तुज्या आनी भावाच्या रिलेशन म्हणजे सामकें फ्रेंडा भशेन आशिल्लें. कशें कितें सांगतालो तुका?
म्हाजो भाव सदांच म्हाका मुखार वच म्हणून सदांच प्रोत्साहन दितालो. पूण आमी दोगांनी गडी घेवन भोंवताले. केन्ना भाव म्हणून आमी हें केलें नासलें पूण फ्रेंड म्हणून चड आमी हें करताले. लोकां मदीं चड फ्रेंडशीप अशें कोण समजतालो की हे भावनी एक घट मित्र अशें. पूण आयज तो म्हाका सोडून गेलो. खूब दूख दिसता.
तेणें समाजा खातीर कितें तरी केलें न्ही तुका अभिमान दिसना खंय ना खंय तरी?
म्हाका आतां तेजो भाव म्हणून म्हाका खूब गर्व जालो आसा की तेणें लोकां खातीर कितें तरी करपाक गेल्लो आनी तेणी करून दाखयलें. थोड्या कारणान ते अर्दकुटा उरले आसा. पूण देवा कडेन मागता की म्हाज्या भावान कितें करपाक गेल्लें की देवान तें आतां पूर्ण करचें आनी तेगे आत्म्याक शांती दिवची हेंच देवा कडेन मागता हांव.
A reporter from Kankon, Babesh Burkar.
Parents of the 4-year-old victim girl Seema Khan have demanded hanging of Deepak Kumar Rai till death for raping and murdering their minor daughter. The accused has been remanded to 14 days police custody by JMFC court at Kepe. This brutal murder of an innocent girl has shocked the entire state.
4-year-old minor girl Seema Khan from Mumbai, who had come to Goa on vacation, was murdered by Bihari labourer Deepak Kumar Rai on Sunday. Body of the victim was dumped by the accused in a lift pit at construction site at Zoglamadi in Kepe. Family members performed the final rites of the victim girl. The family is yet to recover from the shock. They want strictest punishment for the murderer of their innocent child.
मेरे बच्चे लोग तो आए थे घूमने के लिए इधर. छुट्टी है बोल करके स्कूल की छुट्टी हुई. बॉम्बे से वो लोग इधर आए थे. यहाँ आके बच्ची गायब हो जाती है. कंप्लेन लिखाते हैं. कंप्लेन लिखाने के बाद मतलब ढूंढते 2 दिन बाद लाश मिलती है। कौन आएगा ऐसी ये सिचुएशन में, कौन आएगा यहाँ घूमने के लिए? कोई भी नहीं आने वाला है। और जो हरकत उसने किया है उसके लिए फांसी की सज़ा तो उसको होनी ही चाहिए, उससे कम कोई सज़ा है ही नहीं। थोड़ा सा लूज़ हुए, थोड़ा सा और फास्ट होने की ज़रूरत है पुलिस को। ये मेरे ही बच्चे की बात नहीं है, आज मेरी बारी है, कल किसी और की भी बारी हो सकती है। मैं तो बाहर से आया था, यहाँ वालों की भी बारी हो सकती है। उसमें कोई वो नहीं है कि वो छांट के लेके जाने वाला है मारने के लिए, किसी को भी लेके जा सकता है। वैसे मुजरिम को सजाए मौत ही होना चाहिए ताकि दूसरे और किसी बच्चे के साथ ये हरकत ना हो।
जैसे मेरी बहनी को बोटी बोटी किया वैसे उसकी बोटी बोटी करो।
This case has shocked the entire state. An innocent girl on vacation faced inhuman atrocities for no fault of her. The accused used to reside in the vicinity of the residence of the minor girl. The accused is remanded to 14 days police custody. The girl is laid to rest. A reporter from Kepe Mayur Naik.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.